I just wanted to show everybody what's going on over here at Old Man Build's lab. You can see right now we're getting Tesla coils ready for shipping. So we have several of them here. Those are other customers. This one right here is for Sean Calderon, and he's got everything, the 2 coils here, the NPN, the PNP, all the wires to connect it. And then back there he's got the ZVS and cap bake unit. So Sean hooked us up, so I'm hooking him up in return. This is long overdue. We should have got this a long time ago. Another project here that we have is the gravity flyer. And as you can see, I got some brand new aluminum discs. And they're not very thick. They're about 1/16 of an inch. Perfect for this size, pure aluminum. And they are all ready to go. The exact measurements that fit right there. So we're going to be working on that here real soon. We have the Bedini SG. As you can see, we got the big wheel on it. I'll turn it for you real quick. Absolutely gorgeous. Came out as a good replication of what Bedini was doing. We have the coil under it. It's all hooked in and wired. All of the circuitry is wired as well, just like Bedini did it. A little bit extra there because we used 3D printing to make it look good on the front. Over here we have Mike's Renegade circuit. We got a nice big coil to start with. We got the sensor. We can see we're going with Old Man Builds on the top right here. That's going to turn out real nice when we're done with that. We got the 2 piezos like Mike likes. And then we also have the full bridge rectifier. So right now, that's what we're doing over here on this side of the shop. Let me go right over here. And we'll go over here where Bernie's set up. Oh, this is cool, guys. He's got a whole monotonic setup going on over here. He's got a bunch of his jars. Look at this one. That's absolutely amazing. It's in there. It looks like fluffy white paper around it. It's cool. This one right here, we got a cool reaction. Look at all those colors.
Harvested some yellows and some greens.
Go ahead, Bernie. Tell them what it is.
Well, we got special electrodes that I've been making. And these ones specifically, this one has tungsten, copper solenoid, and aluminum within it. And in it, by doing the triple solenoid reaction, able to trigger certain other electrochemical reactions with the hydrides and oxides. And specifically the alchemical blue oxide, and then this yellow hydride or hydroxide, needs to get it chemically tested. And then there's still some red down in there at the bottom base that it's a special type of hydride I will be harvesting tomorrow. I guess I filled it up. We'll show the hot red hydride later.
Right on, man. Alright, that's what's going on over here at Old Man Builds, man. We're doing a lot of work here. We'll be finished up with some projects here soon. Bedini's getting ready for testing. A Renegade, they got a few more pieces to print out and make a nice looking base for it. It's ready for testing. Gravity Flyer, got to do some work on putting the correct holes in it. It's ready to go. And these will be shipping out soon, man. You got some customers that are really going to enjoy some coils out there. And Sean, again, thank you for that microscope, man. You're the most awesome person in this world, brother. So I'm going to hook you up.
And Sean, you best believe we're going to be using that microscope for exactly looking at those electrodes. And I gave you a couple electrodes to experiment with yourself, some electrodes. There you go. And there'll be videos with the microscope coming up right away.
Yeah, let's take a look real quick at that microscope over here. Look. Sean sent this to us, man. Totally awesome. We're going to be putting everything under that thing. So, yeah.
Starting with this guy.
Oh, man, I can't wait for that. That's going to be awesome. Alright, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching, and look forward to a couple of cool builds coming up. And thank you. Have a great day.